Hi everyone, and welcome to High Value Couponer. So let's just dive right into the weekend sale alert video, talking about the 2-day sale that'll run September 6th and September 7th. So let's just dive right in. So first up, we got $6.99 for the Frito-Lay 28 pack. That's a good deal because they're regularly $13.99. This is a pretty big sale here, actually. Okay, we have $1.99 for the family size General Mills cereal, and the Feber One bars, Nature Valley, that kind of stuff. You can stack any manufacturer coupons. I know we always have like $1 off 2s, 50 cents off 2s. Yes, you can stack it. I went to corporate. They told me you could, so I don't want to hear it from anyone commenting, you can't do that, because I've went to corporate and I've showed you guys what corporate told me. So I can't do it today. If someone does that, I just can't take it. Okay, we have 99 cents for the Gillette shaving items. Good deal. It's a pretty good deal as well. It's $2.99 for the puffs. That is definitely a good price because there's 3 or 4 in there, so that's good. We have $1 for the Hot Wheels, Halloween cars, whatever. Okay, we have $1.49 for the Kroger brand salad, potato salad, and coleslaw. $4.99 for the Plink garbage disposal cleaners, regularly $7.99. This is a great one, actually. $6.99 for the 12-pack of sparkling ice. Deals on sparkling ice are kind of rare, so that is definitely a deal. And finally, 99 cents for the Lunchables that are actually regularly $3.19. These are the big Lunchables. Frankie actually pointed this out to me. These are actually the really big Lunchables that are have like juice and random stuff in them, the bigger ones. So this is definitely a great price, and you're not going to want to pass that up. So yeah, that's it for our weekend sale this week. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you can find yourself some deals. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.